Hi friends, let's start discussing the new topic. This topic is creating multiple observation from the single record. When there is multiple observation exist in a single row of the raw data, we need to use the double at the rate to instruct says that there are multiple observation in each line of the raw data. Okay, so let's jump to this as and so I've just mainly written down the code just to complete it quickly. So for this, like what we will just do data and my underscore data and say input and name age and dollar and data lines and so if you just see this data, what do we have here? We do have that like name and age. This is the one record. Then another record is there in the same row. This is Mike and 62. So this is the one observation, this is the second observation, this is the third observation, this is the fourth observation, and so on. So if we need, we are having this kind of data, then how we can just read it? So for that, like we do have Christian as well, which is just having more values. So we can just use the colon modifier here. So I have already explained you colon modifier, and then this will be just considered as character, and then we do have the age as well. So if we just try to read it, let me just show you what it will just show. So see, it is just showing us the David Maria John, but it is not reading it. Okay, because in the input statement, it is just reading the name and then age. Then for other values, we are not having any columns here. So if we just do want to continue reading these values, so what we will have to do, we will have to write the at double at the rate trailing. So this means that this tells says that in the same record, try to read these values again. So if I just run my code again, so you can just see that this time my code ran successfully without any problem. So that's what I just wrote down here because like whenever you will be just going to the interview, so interviewer can just ask you this question like why do we need to use the double at the rate trailing? So in that case you will have to say that when multiple observations are there in the single record of the raw data, we do use the double at the rate trailing, and that's how it is just used. I have just mainly explained you. Okay. So this next topic we will just learn in the next video. I'll just mainly request to comment if you do have any question, and please do share, like and subscribe. Bye bye guys.